With all the news related to the Second Amendment today, there's one thing that has always kept the industry one step ahead, and that's innovation. This is going to be a really short video, but I'm going to show you an innovation that made a small accessory company an absolute juggernaut in the firearms industry today. You cannot open a single firearm related magazine and not see them. And to get that recognition, to build that empire, was built off of something that was created with 550 cord. Up until Magpul started doing really cool things with magazines, this method of creating a magazine pull was very common. The thing is, you used to put 550 cord underneath the magazine base plate, and if you really needed it quick on and off and people were anal about it, you would just duct tape it in place. Obviously served its function. It would get mags in and out of the old school pouches on the LBV just fine. And then at some point, Magpul released these. These are my original ones from back in the day. They still say patents pending. And this is originally how they were supposed to attach. They're just a molded, rubberized version of this. You can see the idea that they were going for between the two. And then at some point, somebody had a good idea. And it was an actual, legitimate good idea. And put them on a different way. Not only did this lower the overall height of the magazine, but if you're wearing gloved hands, it was a lot easier to pull out and manipulate, and it was less of a pain to deal with. You can see where the innovation is going here, because eventually it gave rise to these. Were born out of the same idea and share almost the exact same type of profile. So what I'm saying is, innovation goes a long way, and not all ideas are born overnight. If you're an end user of equipment and you see something that could be made better, why not try to bring it to everyone else? Your modifications, your changes, your lessons learned could be very important and could end up creating an entirely new product that'll make life easier for everybody. Depending on what you create, you could be as big as Magpul one day. Innovation is where it begins, and innovation ensures that it never ends. So occasionally I'm going to do these really short videos. It's just going to highlight an interesting thought that I want to get out there and I want to stay out there. And it'll give me something to do, a break in between a longer video and everything else that I have going on in life. So until the next video, be good, stay safe, have a good one.